Hi all, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. Here in this image, we can see pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. And this is an image taken underneath the microscope of the trachea, since that's one of the locations of this tissue. We find pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium lining the nasal cavity, lining the trachea, lining the bronchi, and in portions of the male reproductive tract. If we break down this word, it's going to tell us exactly what we're looking for. We're looking for an epithelium, so lots of cells, cellularity. And we're looking for column-shaped cells. We're looking for it to be ciliated. It's going to have little hair-like structures on it. And it's going to be pseudostratified. Pseudo means false. That means it's going to look stratified even though it is not. We can see the cilia really well on the ends here. I'm kind of getting a little bit ahead of myself though. Let's go ahead and get our bearings. How do we find the epithelium? We gotta look for that free surface or that space. We find our free surface or our space, which we can see right here, and that means the epithelium is going to be facing it. This is also the apical surface. This surface right here. And then once the epithelium is over, once that layer is complete and finished, then this is going to be our basal surface. So this is where we're going to have, again, that basal lamina. And then beneath that is where we start getting into our other tissues. Remember, epithelial first, then connective tissue, then muscle and nervous tissue. We can spot many nuclei here. I'm just going to go ahead and choose one. Here's a good one for our nucleus. Our cilia is coming off the ends here of our tissue. So these hair-like structures are going to be our cilia. They're going to be hair-like structures. And structure and function, remember, are going to go together. Structure dictates our function. And because we have the cilia, then that's going to allow us to think about protection. Protection, we're also going to have secretion as a function of this tissue, and we can move mucus secretions with that cilia. All a part of the protective function of this particular tissue. All of this right here, this single layer of ciliated columnar epithelium, all of that is going to be our tissue. So all of this here, I've kind of went ahead and given us almost like a bracket so that we can see the layer, the entire layer of the tissue. I can even go all the way across on the basal surface for us. All of that is going to be our pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium.